question for the math subset multiple subject 2. And we are assuming, since we are solving the sample paper, so we will assume that you have sufficient and prior knowledge for mathematics. So let's say we have a question number 28. So the question is, use the diagram below to answer the questions that follows. So we have three circles and then we have some shaded portions. What is the sum of the shaded areas in the three circles above if each circle represents one unit? So if we look at the first one, we will just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in my first circle we have 5 upon 8. Then if we look at the second one, so it's 1 shaded plus 1 upon, the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the third one is 1, 2, 3 divided by total is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the total shaded portion which we need. So what we'll do is we can take the LCM, or you can do the prime factorization, whatever is your comfort zone is. So the lowest common multiple, the LCM for 8, 6, and 7 will be, so the prime factors for 8 will be 2 cube. The prime factors for 6 will be 2 times 3. And then for 7, it will be 7 times 1, or only 7. So my least common multiplier, so LCM should be 2 cube into 3 into 7. So 2 cube means 8, like 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 8. And then times 3 times 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. Then multiply by 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 168. So my LCM for 8, 6, 7 is 168. LCM is 168. And then the shaded portion was, the first portion was 1, 2, 3. It was 5 upon 8. 5 upon, this is 8. 5 upon 8 plus 1 upon 6. And then 3 upon 7. So now what we will do is, since 168, and if you look at the factors for 168, it was 8 times 21, right? So 21 times is 8. So there is all, so for this fraction 5 upon 8, we will multiply and divide by 21. So 5 upon 8 multiply by 21 divide by 21. And then for plus 1 over 6, we will use, so 3 and 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So we will multiply by 28 and divide by 28. And then for the last 3 upon 7, so we have got 7 here. So 8 times 3 will be 24. So we will multiply and divide by 24. So 3 upon 7. We'll multiply and divide by 24. 7, 8 times is 3, 24. So 24 by 24. So in the denominator, 6 times 21, if we multiply, 6 times 1 is, 8, this is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. So denominator is 168. And then we will multiply 5 times 21. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 105 plus denominator, if you multiply 6 times 8 is 48, 2 carry, 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 times 8 was 48, 4 carry, 6 times 2 is 12, 12 plus 4 is again 168. And then in the numerator, 28 times 1 will be 28 plus 7 times in the denominator, 7 times 4 is 28, 2 carry. 7 times 2 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. And in the numerator, 3 times 4 is 12, 1 carry. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. And then what we will do is we will add the numerators since the denominators is same. So 72 plus 28 give you 100. 100 plus 105 will give you 205 upon 168. So if we look at our answers, it's not matching. So we have to again divide. So what we'll do is we will divide 205 by 168. So 168 times 1 is 168. Then you will subtract. 8 does not go in 5, so you will borrow. It's 0, so it will borrow from here. So this will become 1. This will become 10. When it when it donates 1 to 5, it will become 15, and this 10 will become 9. So 15 minus 8 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. So your remainder is 37, and then we can check 168, 161, 19, 2005. So if you look at this, so 1 is my quotient and the remainder is 37 upon 168. If you look at my options, so 137 upon that, C is the option. So my answer will be C. So C is the right option. And if you want more videos, then we can make more videos tomorrow. And thank you for watching.